Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to insert text box. So to insert text box, you can go to insert menu and then click drawing. In drawing, you can see we have this text box tools. You can click and then you can create, like I will set into Mufasu cat. You also can set the color by clicking at this option. I will set color into green and you can resize the text box. You also can set for alignment. Okay, in here you can set into center and also center in this point. If you're done, you can click save and close. Now it will appear the text box in your chill file. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to insert text box. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.